that's what happens. A ball joint falls out. That's what you don't want to have happen.
Oh, the tire just...
Zoo, 288 South, the zoo side.
Are they old?
Anna, you want me to roll down the... Gotta help her.
Oh, no.
Oh, those are women.
No! Record them.
Oh, those are children.
Mama.
Those are children.
No, those are young.
They're
Some of them had...
So guys, nandito na kami guys. What did you say? Naana mi diri guys. Oh, next time. So guys, nandito na kami guys. Naglalakad na lang kami. Parang papunta yata kami sa zoo ah. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta. Look guys. Ang ganda ng ano nila dito sa park oh. May fountain pa oh. Ayan. Hindi pa kasi open ang ano ngayon. Zoo. Mga 10 o'clock pa daw tong ano eh. Festival na to. 8:38 pa lang. Ayan, ang ganda oh. Ganda. Hospital yata yan nandun. Naglalakad na yung asawa at anak ko. Tsaka yung friend ng anak ko. Hi guys. Ayan. Aakyat na tayo dito sa bridge guys. Ay, may pedal boats. Look, there's a pedal boat. Tony. Pedal, you have to pedal guys. Look. Merong pedal boats dito. Pero hindi pa siya ano, ready kasi maaga pa eh. 8:35. Tiffany, you see, to the right, there's a pedal boat. Pedal boat. Pedal. Yeah, pedal. I said pedal. Guys, tingnan nyo oh. May ano dito guys oh. Ayan. Ayan. Pero hindi pa siya ano, ready kasi maaga pa kasi. Kailangan magmaaga kami kasi
You're going through the duck?
oh, thank you.
There's your foundation class.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a lot of ducks. Their husband and wife.
What's the difference? These are ducks.
It's the community of the these ducks. Hi baby duck. Hi baby duck.
If you pick my toe, I'm gonna be very upset.
Oh, it seems like it's friendly. Anna's looking for food. That's a poop right there. Oh, there's a poop too.
Oh, he's really friendly.
That's a lot of poop. Oh, I think they're looking for food. She's looking for food right now.
Pick her toe.
Hi. Hi, Ducky.
Oh,
the mom. Oh no, the mom. The mom.
Look at her.
Oh no, the mom is going to protect it. Anna, she saw you. You were doing your feet like that.
I can walk like that too, Jeff.
She's gonna attack you. Come on. Are we going here? Tingnan nyo sa Amerika, meron ding mud dito. Ayan o, putik o. Ayan.
There's ducks nearby.
Ducks, trucks. Ah, look, all of that is from the ducks.
Duck tracks. What?
That's the mean ducks, right? Hi, mean ducks. Oh, there's a rainbow. Look at the water. You see that water? Has a rainbow on the water. Wow. Anak ko yan. Friend niya yan. So guys, I think we are very early. Oh, I see the Japanese drum. Because the Japanese festival hindi magsimula. I think it starts at 10 o'clock to 6 p.m. 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. So right now they are preparing guys. Ayan, ayan. Ito guys, oh. Look. Ito guys, oh. Ayan, they're just preparing the festival right now. They are preparing right now for the festival. Ayan. Ah. Oh, this is over there. And there's the Memorial Hermann Park. So ayan guys, ang laki-laki ng Memorial Hermann Park dito sa Houston. Hindi pa siya nag-o-open, nagre-ready pa lang sila. I think mag-umpisa ang Japanese Festival 10 o'clock, magsasara ng 6 o'clock. But yung mga show nila mag-umpisa ng 11. So parang feeling din na nasa Japan ako guys. Medyo makulimlim ngayon, hindi siya masyadong mainit, so okay lang. Ayan, asa na kaya yung mga anak ko? Ay, teka muna, isa lang pala yung anak ko. Kasama niya yung friend niya. Para ko na rin anak yon. Ayan, all the way doon guys, oh. Ang dami. Ayan, ayan. Hanggang doon. Tapos libot dito. Ayan. Ito mga tindahan na to. Ayan, ayan. Ito hanggang doon. Hanggang doon sila. Ayan. Hanggang doon. Tara na, maglakad tayo ha. This one guys, this is very slimy. When you slip in this one, very slimy. So today guys, September 6 until tomorrow, September 7, Japanese Festival. So mag-open sila ng 10 o'clock, magsasara ng 6 o'clock. So nandito tayo sa Memorial Hermann Park. Ayan o. Kung pupunta kayo dito, magsaya-saya kayo. Ito yung weekend. Kailangan magsaya-saya kayo. Diba? Ayan. Andun na yung asawa ko. Hindi ko alam saan yung anak ko. Meron din mga dog dito. Mga dogs. Nagbo-walking. Ayan. Daming nag-walking dito kasi downtown kasi ito eh. Ayan o. Malapit kami sa mga museum district. Ayan. Ayan, dami nag-ano din. Medyo makulimlim nga yata ngayon. Ayan. So who's that? That's Sam Houston. So this is Sam Houston. Ayan si Sam Houston. Okay. I did.